The day officially begins. Let's go to Starbucks. This is my first time trying this Starbucks branch, and I'm here to get my planner, so. It looks so pretty. Smells good too. It's so small. Starbucks, what are you doing? There, if you were to ask me, it looks so ugly. Okay, this has got to be the most capitalistic video of me you'll ever see, because I got my planner, I got my drink, and you know what's cute about everything that happened today? There's like an Australian ahead of me ordering, and then when asked if he wants stickers, he doesn't want them, so he gave them to me. Guess how many he gave? 6 stickers. It's like the greatest day of my life.
Second floor. Your opening.
So I met up with Nanay. Now I'm gonna go to get ready with me to buy new makeup. Yes, for ito pa ba yung mga ingredients? I'm not sure what my shade is. Okay, I'm trying out their stuffs, and this is like the shade that I'm like supposed to get.
Hi, Ma.
Pero di ko siya nakuha. Kasi masyado siyang light. And then the one that I got is cameo. So, hindi na rin tong buttermilk. Thank you. Parang hindi ko deserve. Pero hayaan mo na. I'm currently in Olongapo, and I'm praying to the heavens above someone that I know to see me, because I look good. I'm not broke today. Kaya please, sana yung makasalubong ako, nakakilala ko. I mean, I don't. This is exactly how I look right now. Sana may tigamurong na makakita sa akin. Especially with this look for today. This very pretty. I got their face card, customizable face palette. $3.99, I think. The main character of them all. A powder brush. Alam niyo ba? I was at the pop-up store a while ago, and yung tinatry ko na shade, which is cameo, nabagsak siya ng beauty advisor. Nabagsak siya pero hindi siya nag-crack, like hindi siya kumiwalay. Only the insert lang ang parang nag-jump out sa ano, pero hindi siya nasira. And I was like impressed. I was like, ooh, I like that.
Papa-enroll ko nga
First
pala
day of
to.
school.
Ayun yung school niya, oh. Lyceum.
Lyceum.
Tignan natin kung totoo tong balita na masarap yung sea salt nila. Siguraduhin yung masarap to ha, local kids. Oh my God, sir, ang sarap nga. Yes. Alam mo yung chocolate na pag nalusaw? Parang ganun yung texture nung foam nila. Lasang cinnamon. Ah, may cinnamon. Cinnamon ba yan? Gusto ko din yan. Gusto ko to. Sarap. Sarap guys. It's so good. And I even removed the lid. I just finished my notes and future plans for the month of January, and I also have to catch up with what lesson plans I have already finished. I also have some stickers in here that I feel like I'm going to be putting in my journal. Also started jotting down some notes, so I will see you all later. But yeah, I'm gonna prepare myself. And I've placed my makeups here. Pagpasensyahan nila, ganyan talaga. Actually hate matcha, but we're doing it for the aesthetic. Exactly that. I asked them to what did I ask them to do? I told them to lessen the matcha shots, I think, so that it tastes more milky than matcha. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's what I made them do, and I think they did it. They did it, yeah.
Ang ganda. Ay, ang cute.
Guys, na-miss ko po si Sir PJ. Na-miss ko
Wow.
namin.
Sino bang isa-shoutout mo?
Kayo, sir, just you, sir. We just miss your presence.
Yes,
We miss
so
your
much.
positivity in life.
Dahil
Ano
nasa
ang sarili
klase.
niyo?
We miss Sir PJ, tapos aalis na siya.
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi, aalis ko na talaga, sir. Pasimple ka lang.
I-shoutout mo yung mga ano, yung mga
Parang ano yung intro sa flip-top bago magano.
Oo, pwede. Kasi ano eh, angasan pa ng konti. Medyo ano pa yung
Medyo malamanay pa. That honestly sounds like a tikwi. I've always wanted to go here, but there's just no like transportation to reach this place, so hindi talaga ako mahilig sa matcha, pero dahil kulay green, of course, we're fighting the depth of it. Oh, it's good. Bro, it's good. Promise. It's good. It feels gut healthy, you know. Oh, Dave, good. Parang kaya ko itong daig.
We'll find our way.
Pang-vlog ba to, IC? Hala, naka-portrait. Ba't na ayun yan? Uy!
Last year. Ano? Hindi ko naman. Ano eh? May gulat talaga. Tinan mo yung sa video kung gaano ko. Automatic mapipindutin ko yung hindi ko naman cellphone. Hindi ko ako kasi pag nanonood na. Pag cellphone lang iba na-apply ko kasi. Mahirap na. Wait nga lang. Mag-ano ka nga muna. Do not disturb. Ganun lang natin tingnan.